सच्चा स्वरूप में बैठना है. So that is the main goal of our meditation. So if this we understand, then we no longer blame that meditation going good or bad because of the place. You don't blame Arogya, you don't blame Swamiji, you start seeing your own mind as the obstacle and working with it. So that is the basis. So now we will prepare for meditation. Okay, so now I'd like to ask, just before we start, I'd like to just do one small illustration. So if you don't mind, if you can just come and stand here. I just want to say, are you familiar with this point of chakras? Where all the points?
Yes.
All the points of chakras? You already are familiar. Everyone? Are you Vanessa? You're familiar? Okay. No, okay. I'll just tell you. So, if you just kind of stay like this, okay, everyone can see. So, basically, there's what we say in yogas. There are 7 points of chakras. Okay, and so it starts. I'm going to start from this top level, which is called as a sahasrara. And so that is this point. Our kind volunteer here at his head, I'm pointing. So that is called as sahasrara. Literally, it means 1,000-petal lotus. Okay. So that is the highest point. Okay. Now the other one is called as agnya, which is this point between the eyebrows, and you can see here. But it's also sometimes said here. This point or this point. There is a correlation there, like the point between the eyebrows. Okay, that is the agnya point. Then it's called as vishuddha. Vishuddhi or whatever. So this is this point. This is actually this point here, right below and the neck, the lower neck, cervical. It's called cervical. And then comes the anahata, which is the point here in the spine. So these are all in the spine, but you can say in your heart. Some people say it's a heart, but it's actually here in the spine. Then is the lumbar region. So right below the navel, that point of that navel. And then a little below that, the sacral region. Like where if you especially when you put on your pants, that point where that's the. And then the lowest point of where your spine tapers off. That is the coccyx or the Mooladhara. So this strength, this point of energy, the way we actually chant. So we will chant at each of these points at some okay, the way you chant is you start from the bottom, then you go up, and then you go up, and then you go up, and we just chant. We just kind of consider these chakra points, and we just say Om at each of that. Okay. There are so many variations to meditation, but because we are doing a very simple level, we're not going to do it. And you don't have to be worried about any energy movement or anything happening. This is a very simple thing. It is helpful for your healing and all that. And it's good to know this because this is how the yoga main meditation aspect happens in yoga. Okay. Thank you. Okay. So today we will just do the basics thing, and if time permits, I will teach another couple of okay, so first is, are you all familiar with the posture, sitting, everything? Everyone's familiar with that. So if you're not comfortable,